I'm Joshua Czerniak, and I'm a graduate of the Machine Tool Technology program here at Alfred State. I currently work at Hardinge Incorporated in Elmira, New York. I chose Alfred State because it was an affordable solution and it's close to home. I chose my major because the manufacturing environment really interests me, and you get to make your own parts. You get to follow the process from start to finish, from programming to designing and the finished product. Everything that we've learned in class I use on a daily basis to do my job. I met Hardinge at the career fair here at Wellsville, and I was then onboarded as an intern between my first and second year, and then that resulted in a full-time position at Hardinge, and now I'm a manufacturing engineer. I enjoy the opportunity coming back here to recruit, as that's how I found my job and how I was onboarded at Hardinge. Alfred State has helped me find the career path that I intend to follow.